Are you ready to impress your family and friends with a restaurant quality dish that you can make from home? If so, you're at the right place. Today I want to show you how to create an amazing smoked rack of lamb that will leave everyone begging for more. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is make the marinade. I'm going to use some olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard. We're going to add in some garlic powder, some rosemary, oregano, and some basil. Mix it all together. I'm going to take that marinade, about half on each side, brush it over the rack of lamb. Make sure you brush it where it's pretty even. Once the marinade's applied, we're going to let it marinate for at least 3 hours. Set your smoker up to 250 degrees and put it on bone side down. You want to rest it for 10 to 15 minutes once it's cooked. Now that you know the steps of creating an amazing smoked rack of lamb, why not make it part of your next gathering? This dish is sure to be a hit with everyone and extremely easy to make. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please leave a comment and share it with your friends and family.